Are you dreaming of owning a home in Washington State? It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to simplify the home buying process for you. Let's dive into the essential steps to help you navigate this journey smoothly. First, start saving money for your home buying expenses, including down payment and closing costs. Next, establish your housing budget to guide your searches effectively. Check your credit reports and scores. Good credit can lower your mortgage rates. Next, decide on the type of mortgage loan that suits you best, whether it's fixed or adjustable. Once you know your budget, shop for a mortgage and get pre-approved. This shows sellers you're serious. Finding a reliable real estate agent further eases the process. Now you're ready to start house hunting. Remember to make well-informed offers based on comparable sales. A home inspection is wise, even if not mandatory. It can unveil potential issues. Don't forget to secure homeowner's insurance to protect your investment. Finally, when you're ready to close the deal, you'll sign all the paperwork, pay the fees, and get the keys to your new home. Ready to make your homeownership dream a reality? Contact us for personalized assistance and to get started today.